Alright, man, so I'm here to be your savior of the day. I'm going to show you the bestest, quickest way to fix your ylod of death problem. No cost, no break apart. Probably the best way you can do it. So, as you can see, I have the ylod of death. Let me see this. Okay. First thing you want to do is turn it off. Disconnect the back HDMI cable. All the cables are in there. Just one undisconnected. Now next, take a Ps3, set it at the table, on your bed. Sorry about that. Next, what you're gonna need is your a fan, a hair dryer, and your broken Ps3. I believe this is the I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I got the 80 gig. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go get the hair dryer. Holy shit! If I could find it, hold on, real quick. There it is. Okay, next what you're gonna do is, it's either get a blanket. Let's see if I have a blanket up here. You wanna get a blanket. Next you wanna, hold on real sec, one sec. What you're gonna wanna do next is, that's when you want to fold. You want to put your Ps3 inside the blanket, so the heat that you're gonna put in it will not come out. So you want to wrap it around. Make sure it's flipped over, as so, like this, with the vents facing this way. Turn it around, nice. Now you want to cover it. Cover it real good, like so. You just want to leave a little space for the vents. But make sure the Ps3 is real in there, like so. You want to leave space for the vents. And now what I'm gonna do next is go get the fan. I'm showing you this so you won't think that I am joking around, that this is not a hoax. I'm gonna do it to you. I'm gonna do this live. Go get the fan. Hold on one second. I got the fan going, taking it back to my house. There it is. Get down my hallway. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do, your Ps3 is already wrapped up. Okay, and check in with part 2 so I can show you how to actually do it. Thanks.